Hello everyone, I'm Syed Amir. Welcome to your new video. In this video, we will develop menu-based calculator. So we will be taking two numbers and we will perform basic operations on it. Okay. So first, let me tell you what menu-based means. You go to hotels, right? You see the menu. So it's like the things will be displayed to the user. Like we'll be giving press 1 for addition, press 2 for subtraction, press 3 for multiplication, press 4 for division. That's what we will be displaying to the user, and user will be giving the choice. Okay, so what input we have to take? We have to take two numbers first. Okay, the operands, right? Two numbers we have to take from the user. Second thing is what operation that particular user want to perform. So let's start. Let's start with this hash include study io.h void main bracket open int. I know I have to take two numbers. I'm going with n1 and n2. Okay, so take those two numbers from the user. Printf, I'm writing enter two numbers. Scanf %d ampersand n1 comma ampersand n2. We have taken two numbers from the user, right? The next thing that we have to do is what? We have to display a menu to the user, right? Where we will be giving the four basic operations, right? Printf, I'll be writing press 1 dot addition, right? Means what? Press 1 for addition. That will be displayed as it is. After it, like onto the next line, I have to print 2 dot subtraction, 3 dot multiplication, 4 dot division. So this menu will be given to the user, from which user will understand if he wants to perform addition, he needs to press what? 1. Likewise, or four choices user can give, right? 1 dot addition, I want to leave one line, so I'm using what? /n. 2 dot subtraction, I'm writing in short sub /n. 3 dot multiplication /n. 4 dot division. That's it. So this thing will get displayed as it is to the user. How this will get displayed, let me tell you once again. Press 1 dot addition, after it 2 dot sub, 3 dot multiplication, 4 dot division will get displayed to the user. So user will press either 1, 2, 3 or 4. So we'll be taking that thing from the user using scanf %d for it. We have to take, for example, I'm taking the name of that variable as choice. So %d ampersand choice. Now next thing what we have to do, if user enters 1, we have to add n1 and n2. So what is the operation that we have to perform? N1 plus n2. If user enters 2, we have to subtract from n1 from n2. N1 minus n2, that's what you have to do and display the result. For multiplication, n1 into n2. For division, we have to divide n1 divided by n2 and display the result, right? So we got four options, right? So we won't be writing if else, right? So we will be simply going with what? Switch case for this case. So let me write switch, and to switch, what will be passing? Tell me. We will be passing the choice, right? So switch, passing choice here. Based on the variable that you have into switch, we will be writing the cases. Tell me how many cases you will be having. You will be having 4 cases here, right? Case 1 will be for addition. Let me write that case 1. Case 1 you have. Into case 1, what do you have to do? Tell me. You have to simply perform addition, right? So what do you have to do? Add n1 and n2, right? So you can take a separate variable, like you can take a third variable. For example, if I'm writing C here, right? I have taken a variable, for example, for answer we have, so ans, the variable name I'm taking as ans. So ans equals to, what you have to do? N1 plus n2 you have to do. Agree? And finally printed. Printf, the answer will be stored into this. So we have to write %d print ans I hope you got this. You're done with case 1. What do you have to do? Before starting case 2, you have to break it, right? So let me write it here. It'll be breaking out of it, right? Let me continue here with case 2. For case 2, what should be done? Tell me. ANS equals to, what we have to do? We have to subtract N2 from N1. Simply we'll be writing N1 minus N2, store that into ANS and print the value of ANS. Printf %d ANS, right? After it also you have to write what? Break statement. We are done with case 2 also. Tell me for case 3. Case 3 means what? If user enter the value of choice as 3, what we have to do? We have to go with multiplication. So ANS will be writing it as what? N1 into N2, and finally we will be printing it here. Printf %d, print the value of ANS, right? So again here we'll be going with break. Case 4 will be having here ANS equals to N1 divided by N2. This value can be a fraction value we are storing into integer, so that will be getting converted into ANS. If you want to go with more perfect answer, ANS you have to take as what? Float value. Okay, so I'm going with this one only. Printf %d, print the value of ANS, right? Again you have to write what? Break here. Again, user can enter any other integer value apart from 1 2 3 4. User can enter anything, right? User can enter 5, because user can enter 0 also. For that you need to have a default, right? So again, it's not compulsory to write default, but it's better to write default into switch case. So let me write default here. Into default will be simply printing printf invalid choice. Okay, and my switch case close and my main method close. I hope you got this. Let me quickly run this for you. 2 numbers will be taken from the user. That's the first thing that will be happening. Enter 2 number will get displayed. User will enter 2 numbers. For example, user enters 5 and 10. Into N1 5 will be going, and into N2 10 will be going, and this will get displayed to the user then. And for example, user presses 1. Okay, user want to do what? Addition. So this will be passed to switch. What is the value of choice? 1. It will enter into switch. Case 1, 1 equal to 1. Yes, condition satisfied. It will go inside this case. It will perform N1 plus N2. It will perform what? 5 plus 10. 15 will get stored into ANS, and 15 will get displayed, and it will break from the switch and it will come out of your program. So the final answer will be what? 15 will get displayed, right? Now for example, again 2 numbers I have taken, 5 and 10 from the user, and user says subtract. Okay, so it will go, choice will be what now? 2. It will check with case 1, 1 equal to 2, no. It will go to case 2 here. It will calculate the things and print. Break, it will come out of it. I hope you're getting it. For case 3, if user want to do multiplication, what will happen? The value of choice is what now? 3. Case 1, no, it's not true for this. The value of choice is 3. Case 2 is not true. Case 3 is true. It will go inside and will find the multiplication. Similarly for division will happen, right? Now tell me, what if user gives 5? The value of choice that is entered by user is 5. Choice, how many cases you have? You have 4 cases. With the value of cases what? 1 2 3 4. You don't have 5, so it will check but won't go into any of the case. So for the all other cases except 1 2 3 4, it will go into default and print what? Invalid choice. I hope you got this. So this was the program to demonstrate menu based calculator. Thank you.